Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze your data or how to create a chat message for assistant in Hello Human. So I'm going to show you how to analyze this chart in very short code and a very simple way. I'm going to show you how to code or how to get to start to build your first app. So in Python language, it's one of the easiest language, and you are going to start to create your first app. Let's go to see this is small and short code in the browsers. Do you want to see how it's look? So I write uh, import numpy, the numerical as name, then import streamlit as set, and then I say with streamlit chat message and then a system. So here uh, streamlit writes then hello. So this give you the first hello human, uh, then straight bar chart and then random numbers, the random around 100 over 3. So let's go to see the browser how it's look. Wow, look amazing, right, guys? So it's look like this. See how it's look. Hello, human. So this is then thing on the top, guys. Here, this is our chart, bar chart, and then let's go to create a line chart, and then also you can see how it's look. Go to create a line chart. Line chart, guys. Just we copy only this one. Then to paste here. Message of line. Uh, we just a bar, we just line. That's it. Cool. Then last paste. Also we have a it's enough. Let's go to only this short form to see how it's look. Last refresh. So guys, line chart and bar chart. You see, it's a very easy and it's a very short to analyze your data in very simple way, right? Just using the random numbers and playing your app and creating your amazing app in 2020. For so guys, this is a short tutorial in Streamlit in Python. Then I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye for now.